Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add workout notes on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. But first thing you need to keep in mind is that you need a pro subscription to be able to use the ladder. Either that or you're going to need a free trial that is offered to you once you go ahead and open up the application for the first time. So once you've gotten that ready, we can go ahead and get started with using the application. So going into the team section right here is going to enable us to choose the team we want to go ahead and be a part of and whose team's workouts we want to do. So let's go and take a look at how to add workout notes. Basically, once you're in this workout page right here in the home page, you're going to go ahead and open up any of the workouts you want to start, and you're going to go ahead and take a look at all the exercises you have right here. So we can use the built-in journal feature within the workout player. So you can log specific weights, reps, and personal notes. So you can go ahead and open up any of the exercises, and as you can see, you're going to have the note section. By clicking notes is going to enable you to go ahead and put a note within your exercises so you can remember what you need to regarding that exercise, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.